Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, overnight I was hoping for a little bit more action. It did make a new low. With that new low, it sort of followed our forecast here yesterday, late yesterday, into Saturday, but it did not really follow through, at least not yet. I mean, typically, you know that the weekends are typically quiet. So let's see if it can still do a bit of a, further sell-off on the weekend. But normally we just look at sideways action on Saturday and Sunday. So that's typically the ideal time to learn stuff and to focus on education and learning. So if you're interested, tomorrow we've got our new member live stream, 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. UTC. There's always a learning or fundamental or educational topic around Elliott Wave and trading. So you can check that out in the membership if you're interested. But besides that, no change. So we're still coming down here in a wave 2 correction. Yeah, this is an ABC structure, unchanged. We're dealing with a C wave, which is an ending diagonal. It started on the 20th of July here. The C wave is a 5-wave move, so we're looking for 5 waves to complete. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. Throughout yesterday and the day before, we highlighted that another low is still likely. It made that one more low. Could that be it? Could that be it? Technically, yes. But first of all, the reaction to yesterday's low was not in any way impulsive or aggressive to the upside. So I'm still watching for potentially either a clearer signal that we've bottomed or another low. At the moment, I am waiting for another low, primarily. So that's on the smallest degree, really. I mean, what are we talking about? Ideally, I'd like to see it to get to 1780. It already came down to 1810 yesterday or something, 1814. I mean, we're talking about $35 or something. Yeah, so there isn't much more room, really, what it needs to do. I mean, it doesn't need to do anymore. It has come into pretty much into the middle of our yellow trend reversal area that we are seeing at the, we see that as a jump off point for Ethereum to get into a third wave rally. It's just that it doesn't seem like it's done what it needs to do yet in terms of the wave count. So the wave count anyway would suggest that we do 1 or 2 more lows anyway. I'm still looking at this area around 1780. Don't be surprised if it goes a little bit below that. It can go all the way down to pretty much $1,700 without invalidating our overall bullish scenario here on the chart. This yellow box is a setup. So this is the area where we would expect price to show an impulsive reaction to the upside, but it's only valid and likely as long as Ethereum is holding $1,700. Okay, so far I haven't called out a low, a bottom in place. I haven't done that, knowing that we can still drop lower. And it's up to you, do you wait for a reaction or do you try to catch a falling knife? Both involve risks, okay? If you buy without waiting for a low in place, then it could just go lower and it could easily invalidate the setup. If you wait for a reaction, price can already have rallied 10 to 15% before you see the confirmation. And that's the balance that every trader needs to deal with, and the uncertainty. So there are different strategies how you can deal with that. I like to use a mixed strategy. But anyway, this looks like that we are still in the C wave, obviously. Again, also here, the C wave could be an ending diagonal. Again, I would not really like to give you a very, I can't really give you a clear micro count because it just leaves too many questions open here, this small structure. What could be the case is, for example, that the C wave has started, but I can't really confirm it because we haven't had our sustained break below 1820. I wanted to see that for a confirmation that we are in the C wave. So it could be this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but then it's an ending diagonal and the third wave is an ABC structure. So basically 2 more lows. Or, and that's also what Bitcoin could be doing as well, the B wave is still running and Ether is working on a flat structure in the B wave, which is possible with an overshooting B wave to the downside, A wave up, B wave down. That's possible because what would be an A wave is a 3-wave move. Then the B wave can easily overshoot and the C wave should be starting. But I don't really see reactions in terms of, okay, this could be a C wave impulse to the upside. So at the moment, I'm still looking at lower. And to keep it simple, as long as price stays below 1870, the resistance level up here, I focus on lower. Okay, that's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.